As much as we are fans of a well-stocked kitchen, it's no fun to cook in cluttered chaos of spatulas, stock pots, and stray spice jars. To make the most of our space, we need to be organized, and the best way to straighten up our cabinets, countertops, and fridge shelves is with the help of smart storage solutions. 1. Transform a jumble of pots and pans into an accessible stockpile with the help of this pan and lid organizer. This sturdy rack can hold up to 5 pans vertically freestanding. 2. While it's fine to stack a cookie sheet or two, it can be a pain to shuffle through a tower of bakeware. This organizer is a great solution, with 7 adjustable steel wire dividers perfect for your pans, platters, and cutting boards. 3. How often do you clean out your pantry and realize those canned green beans expired 6 months ago? To save space and avoid food waste, consider this stacking can dispenser. With 3 tiers and 6 adjustable dividers, the rack holds up to 36 jars or cans. 4. While most storage solutions mean tucking your stuff away, this product saves space and makes a statement. Instead of a clunky block taking up counter space, store your knives with the help of this streamlined magnetic stainless steel bar. Made from strong magnets, the 16-inch tool bar holds even your largest cleavers, and comes with mounting hardware. 5. Under the kitchen sink can be a scary place, but it doesn't have to be with the help of this organizer. The elevated shelf gives extra storage space to keep your cleaning supplies within reach, while the sliding basket is great for stashing sponges and stray plastic bags. 6. Struggle to snag the jar of peanut butter deep in the recesses of your pantry? Give this turntable a spin rather than rearranging the condiments and spice jars in your cabinets again. Not only does it contain all your supplies in one place, but its non-skid liner and rimmed edge keep items from falling off. 7. For extra counter space and a delicious display to boot, these 3-tier hanging baskets are a great option. Measuring 30 inches long, the stainless steel baskets are sturdy enough to hold several pounds of fruit or vegetables. 8. To cut down on bulky bags and keep your ingredients fresher for longer, this container set is a no-brainer. Equipped with airtight silicone seals, the 6-piece set includes a flour container with a leveling bar for mess-free measuring, brown sugar container with a removable terracotta disc, and a pair of minis with dusting screens. 9. Rather than leave your food spread out on your fridge's shelves, corral similar items together in clear plastic bins, like this durable 6-piece set. Not only does it make it easier to find foods, but it's faster to carry everything you need in one trip. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.